Hi there, Beat the Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. As promised, this is the second installment of our Circle Theorem series, where each week we take an in-depth look at a new circle theorem, complete with worked examples, practice questions, and solutions. Today, we're taking a look at how two radii form an isosceles triangle, which is actually more of a general circle geometry rule than a circle theorem. First of all, the basics. What is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is simply any triangle that has two sides of equal length. These equal lengths are usually represented by two lines, like so. However, what's often more useful to us, especially in a circle, is the fact that in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are the same, 72 degrees in this case. We've covered the basics, so let's move on to how this works in a circle. Here's a radius, a line drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference. And here's another radius. Together, we call them radii, as the plural form. Now, here's the trick. Drawing a line between the bottom of the radii, we form a triangle. This triangle is isosceles, because both the radii are always going to be equal in length. Also, this means that both the base angles are equal. If one is 45 degrees, the other is also 45 degrees. Simples. Let's take a look at an example question. Here we have a circle. Find angle x. Let's solve this logically. Since the triangle is formed from two radii, the other base angle is 30 degrees. We know that angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees, so x equals to 180 minus 30 minus 30, so x is 120 degrees. Here's a question. Like before, find the value of angle x in this circle. 30 seconds on the clock starts now. Answers. Since the triangle is formed by two radii, the other base angle is also x. Angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees, so we can form the equation 180 equals to 50 plus x plus x. This rearranges to 2x equals to 130, so x is 65 degrees. Great stuff! Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beat the Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.